Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Lesson 88, all about transformations. So the first thing that we're going to do is write down these three definitions. We have first the definition of translation, which is sliding a figure in one direction without turning the figure. So, maybe the first thing you want to do is cut out your grid, of course, and then your F. Your F is going to be 2 blocks wide, and it doesn't really matter the size of it, but I have mine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tall, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This top one is 6, and this bottom one is 4, okay? So I'm going to be demonstrating what I'm talking about with this F as I go. So a translation is sliding the figure in one direction without turning the figure. That could be sliding it to the right, sliding it to the left, sliding it up, or sliding it down, okay? Those are all translations. Your figure is going to stay the same. It's going to still look like an F, just the correct way. It's just going to be in a different location, but just the same way. A reflection is like a figure in a mirror. So a reflection would be going like that, okay? So you're going to flip over your F, and that's going to be a reflection. Just like how I went around with that mirror and showed every one of you your figures in the mirror. And if a reflection is reflecting a figure as in a mirror, or flipping the figure over a line. So if this was the line and you flipped it over the line, that would be a reflection. A rotation is turning a figure like a certain way, okay? So if I had my F like this and I turned it like that, that would be a 90-degree clockwise turn. If I had it like this and then I turned it like that, that would be a 90-degree counterclockwise turn, because if you think of a clock, the clock's hand goes this way, so that is clockwise, the same way as the clock. This would be a 180-degree or a half turn, and then if you kept going, this would be a 360-degree or full turn. A full turn, watch this 360-degree turn. And it stops exactly the same place that it started, okay? 360s is a full turn. A fourth of a turn like that is 90 degrees, and a downward turn like that is 180 degrees. Okay, so what I want you to do with this is practice doing translation or reflection or rotation, okay, rotation. And you need to have those mastered. So maybe your parents would like to quiz you, kind of say, okay, I need you to make a translation to the left 5 spaces. So you'd go, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, translation to the left 5 spaces. You moved it left 5 spaces. Or they could do translation up 5 spaces. So you'd count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces and go translation up 5 spaces. Or they want to say rotation 90 degrees clockwise. You would turn it like this, and that would be your 90-degree clockwise rotation, okay? But the way I want you to have it for school tomorrow is I need you to have it with the paper clip that I gave you. Paper clip it to the paper, okay? Because you're going to need this F in class. We're going to do some activities with it. So your lesson practice is, I have number 1, I have this figure 3 here. You're going to sketch the figure after a 90-degree clockwise rotation. Okay, you can just draw that down here. So you're going to have it normal, and then you're going to sketch it with a 90-degree clockwise rotation. In lesson practice 2, you've got this R. Sketch this figure after a reflection. Okay, so you're going to draw this R as a reflection. That is all I have for your math video today. We will do more work with these transformations tomorrow in class. Have a great day.